Hello children, good morning to all. Welcome to today's session. In the previous sessions, we have discussed about the grammar, such like parts of speech and degrees of comparison. And many of you have done your homework well, and still you are making a lot of grammar mistakes. Even though it's good to make mistakes, because we must learn mistakes. We must learn anything from the mistakes. For example, when you are child, many times we fall down, because if you fall down one or two times, then only we can stand, and we can by step by step we learn it how to walk. In the same way, it is very good to make a mistakes in the subject or in the education, because if we make a mistake, we can learn the topic, and if we learn whatever was the mistake that we made. So don't worry, make a mistakes, but don't sit in only in the mistake. Learn the mistake and make it as a correct one. Okay, so I hope you all understood the previous grammar class, and today I am very happy to start our B reading. Today I am going to start our first lesson, first unit, B reading, the town child and the country child. In previous class I told town means city and country means village. Yes, got it? So today we are going to learn and know about what the town child is thinking, what the country child is thinking. So in this lesson, what mindset they are having? Okay, maybe the town child, the mindset what is having, or maybe the country child what the mindset is having. Let's know from our test book, and please all of you open page number 16, page number 16 and 17. Can you see, children? There are two pages, no? So you can see the child, you can see the town child. See how he is, the town child. Can you see? So he was going to school. No, in the same way you too go to school. When schools are running, you in the early morning get up and you wear your uniform and you take your books and you take your lunch box and you used to come to school. No, so in the same way, the test book, in our lesson, the boy is going to school. But when he is going to school, can you see here? He was thinking about a village. Thinking about the village. What mindset the town child is having? He is thinking about what is thinking? Thinking about the village lifestyle, because he was not liking the lifestyle of town. He was not liking the lifestyle of the town, but he wants and he would like to have the lifestyle of the village. But whereas you see another picture, the next page, if you see there is a boy. Background of village background, maybe country background, but he was thinking about the town. He wants to go to town. Even the people, the students, the children, those who are staying in village, they always, my friends are, for example, one of their friends are in the city. What the boy or what the student may thinking, the child may thinking, oh, maybe my friend is studying in a big school, he may having nice uniform, he may having tuck and nice shoe, he may having nice bag, he may be studying in English medium school. You may thinking, yes, isn't it? No, because the background of the village and the town is completely different. Yes or no? They completely different. In our city, we have plenty of different medium schools. We have English medium schools in different way. Maybe the education system will be same. Only the people that are studying in village, they will be studying Telugu medium, but those studying in city, they will be studying English. But the topic is same. The topic is same. There is no difference in the topic, but only the language was changed. But there will be difference in that. There will be their dress sense. There will be any difference in the dress sense, isn't it? So they may think, oh, maybe my friend is studying in village. But those who stay in village, maybe in the city, those stay in city, what they think? Oh, my friend is studying. How they may be going? Maybe I don't know. Some they like, some they don't like. But in our lesson, in our poem, today we are going to deal with a poem. In this poem, the two children, the town child and country child, they are worrying about they are not liking the place where they are, but they are liking the opposite. The boy who was staying in town was worrying about he was liking the village atmosphere, and the country child, one who is living in village, he was not liking the atmosphere of village. He was liking the atmosphere of town. So let us see what happened and why they are not liking the places. Let us see. And so all of you open page number 16 and I am going to sing the poem. So just listen and after repeat after me. Okay, clear? So all of you open the books? Yeah, good. Let's sing the poem. Let's sing the poem. Let's enjoy. So before starting the poem, this poem was written by a greatest poet, Ian Thompson. He is very famous for the poems. He has written many poems. Okay, in the higher class also we know this person. He is from Latin. He is from England, and she is very good poet, and she wrote many poems. Okay, this is one of the poem. Let's sing and enjoy the music. Let's enjoy this poem. I live in a town in a street, it crowded with a traffic and feel. There buses and motors and tram. I wish there were woods and lamb. The houses all wait in a row. They smoke everywhere that I go. I don't like the noises I hear. I wish there were wood near, very near. There's only one thing that I love, and that is the sky far above. There's plenty of room in the blue for cluster for clouds and me too. My voice is not much louder, okay? Maybe not nice, but even though I'm trying for you, okay, children? Okay? Don't get scared by listening my voice, okay? So once again, I would like to sleep because of my nose got some problems. That's why I'm not getting good tune. Let's sing once again. I live in a town in a street. It's crowded with the traffic and feet. Or there buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and land. The houses are waiting in a row. They smoke everywhere that I go. I don't like the noises I hear. I wish there were woods very near. There's only one thing that I love, and that is the sky far above. There's plenty of room in a blue for castles of clouds me too. For castles of clouds and me too. I got the tone? Yeah, repeat after me. I live in a town in a street. It could be a traffic and field. There buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and land. The houses are wait on a row. They smoke everywhere that I go. I don't like the noises I hear. I wish there were woods very near. There's only one thing that I love, and that is the sky far above. There's plenty of room in a blue for castles of clouds and me too. How is it, children? Have you got the tune? Yeah. So let's see what's the town child is thinking. I live in town and street. It is crowded with the traffic and feet. There were buses and motors and trams. I wish there were meadows and lands. What I say? He was living in a town, in a street. Peter, because we in the city, we are living in a city. We are living in a city, and our house is in a street because we are living in Surat. So in Surat, how much streets are there? Plenty of streets are there, like Layan Nagar, Kalwara Nagar, Sai Baba Nagar, like this many. Krishna Nagar, like many nagars are there. In each nagar there are different streets are there. So the town I was telling, I am living in a town, in a street. You are living in a town, in a street, and what I say, it is covered. Covered means it is gathered, means completely. It is completely no gap. It is completely covered means, for example, say, see the clouds are covering the sky, means it was completely closing. Okay, covering with the traffic and feet. Okay, traffic and feet. What about? If you look at recently, we got a traffic signal in the Surara main road. So what happened? when the traffic flow, all the vehicles are stopped, it was completely covered. The place will be completely covered and there will be no gap and it is like a completely crowded. Completely crowded and it is feet. What is the meaning of feet? See written, people who walk in a street. If you see the market, what happened? We will be walking on the road, on our main road. See, people will be walking, there will be beside the roads, both the sides we will be walking in between the vehicles, so there will be no place at all, completely covered with the vehicles and the people. And what is saying? There are buses and motors and trams. What is the meaning of trams? The vehicles that were with an electrical vehicle transport people in a city or town. For example, you see metro train, or else maybe if you go to Mumbai and Kolkata, you can see the tram will be moving on the roads. Is there beside the road only, the trams will be moving. It is like a city buses, like metro. How the metros are there now Hyderabad? Trams are like one of the metro, similar to metro but not the metro. They will be moving on the road, by beside the road. This is like a city buses. So what is was selling? I was living in a town. There were many. I was living in a street, and it is completely covered with the traffic and the feet. People walk in the road. It is completely covered. There is no gap, and it completely about the noises, complete noises. And also there are buses and motor vehicles. If you go to city, Secunderabad, Boinpalli, Bangalore, complete Kukulbala. How the place will be, the road complete will be vehicles will be moving and all, completely covered. And what is the link? And what do you want? I wish. What are you telling? I wish there were meadows and land. What I was thinking? I would like to have. He wants to have some green land, some greeneries. What is it? Meadows means green land. Pachika values in a pachika booming. It means if you go to beside like if you go to some forest, how it will be complete. If you go to villages, completely will be beside road. How it will be? There will be lot of complete scenery will be there. There will be all completely greenery will be there. Means all paddy, complete villages they keep paddy. Some types of whatever they keep complete. What beside the roads, what we can see, lot of plants will be there, lot of greenery will be there. So what I was thinking, he wished to have some greenery and also he used to have some lambs. What is the meaning of lamb? Lamb means sheep. Sheep. So if you go to village, you can see buffalo, sheep. Can you find them here? No, it's not impossible. So he wished to have some greenery and some lambs. Let's see a second poem. What do you have? What we have? The houses all wait in a row. What happened? For example, the houses are all wait in a row. There is smoke everywhere that I go. I don't like the noises I hear. I wish there were woods very near. What is telling? The houses are all wait in a row. For example, if you go to assembly, what we stand in line, no? For example, if you go to any stores and all, what they say, please make a line. The same what happened in the city of what our houses will be in a road line, they are in a line one by one. No? So in the beside the road, how the houses will be there? There will be no gap. One house beside another house. One house beside another. So like that, all houses are in a row. All houses will be in a row, isn't it? In the city, the houses will be complete in a row. And there is a smoke everywhere that I go. Wherever you go, smoke will be there because city is covered with the factories and lot of vehicles. Because completely the city will be polluted. So completely the city will be polluted. Everywhere the city will be polluted and completely there will be noises because the sound of vehicles, honors and the sounds of factories. Completely with this noise, the city is completely with the polluted of the noise pollution. And also, what is telling? I don't like the noises that he has. See, for example, now also we are in the class. Even we can hear some noises. No, they are of the bikes or cars. People are making sounds of honoring. What they are doing? They are making a lot of noise. Because being this noise, what I say, that child is telling, I don't like all this noise. Wherever I go, this noise is disturbing me. God was telling, I wish there would be woods everywhere. What do you want? He would like to have woods. What is the meaning of woods? Area of land smaller than a forest. You would like to have a small forest. You don't like this noises and this traffic, this all sounds and this fog. All this he doesn't want. He doesn't like all this. He would like to have. He wished to have a small forest. Yeah, small forest like which was there in a village. Okay. So many times we do, because of this noise and all this pollution, we to feel because of this city. Where we have to go to some village. It is good to spend some time because village what happen will be completely weather will be completely good and there will be no noise. We can find fresh air, okay, fresh water, and fresh scenery we can see. Yeah. So let's see the third one. What is there? There is only one thing that I love, and that is the sky far above. There is plenty of rooms in the blue for castles of clouds and me too. What I was telling, there is only one thing I love in city. What is that? That is the sky which is there far above from me. What is telling the child? I don't like anything in the town, in the city. Only one thing I like, that is the sky which is very far above. Okay, only the sky only I like, nothing much I don't like, only I love the sky and it is very far above. And what is telling, there is plenty of room in a blue, because if you look at the sky it will become completely in the bluish color, isn't it? And also there will be some clouds are there. Yes, the writer is explaining the clouds as a blooms of rooms. You can see the rooms in a blue color and it's very beautiful. And they say for castle of clouds and me, and the clouds are very beautiful and they are very blends, and the clouds are like you was describing and explaining the clouds as a rooms, and was telling I love only one thing, that is the sky above, very far above, and the rooms and the clouds are very beautiful to look, to see, and I am enjoying only the sky. Nothing much I am not liking and not allowed in anything else in the city except the sky. And what do you like in the city, children? What do you like? What do you like? You like ice creams, yes? You like snacks, you like playing, and you like watching movies, going to movies, and then playing in the park, isn't it? But in our poem, our town child only what he likes? He only likes only the sky that is very far above. Okay? Yes, I understood. Yeah. So let's go to country child. Now let's go to, we finish town child, let's go to country child. About the village boy, the background of village, the boy was having the village background. How he was thinking, what is there in his mind? Let's see. So this is a poem. So can you see the picture? You can see, no? See, the boy is going to school. Okay, his appearance is different, no? See, his dressing style is completely different. And what he was thinking? He was thinking completely about what he was thinking. He was completely thinking about the town. See, the child who was having the background of village, he was thinking about the background of city. He was thinking about the background of city. Let's see. Let's sing this poem too. Okay. My house is a house near a wood. I live in a speedy if I could. The lands are so quite old, yeah. I do wish that someone lived here. There's no one to play with at all. The trees are so high and so tall, and I should be lonely for all. Waiting for the birds and the flowers. I wish that I live in a town to see all the trams going down. A twinkling street that is the bright, with colorful colors at night. How is it? Do you like the poem? Yeah, I'll sing one more time for you. Enjoy the poem. My house is a house in a wood. I live in a street if I could. The lands are so quite old, yeah. I do wish that someone lived here. There's no one to play with at all. The trees are so high and so tall, and I should be lonely for all, where it no for birds and the flowers. I wish that I live in a town to show all the trams going down, to see all the trams going down. A twinkling street that is the bright, with wonderful colors at night. Okay, so let's see what happened. What is there in his mind? Let's see. My home is a house near a wood. What is telling? Okay, my house is a house near a wood. I would live in a street if I could. The lanes are so quiet. Oh dear, I do wish that someone lived near. What I was telling? My house is near a wood. What is it? Wood means a land small like a forest. His house is very near to a small forest. Okay, but he would live in a street if he could. What he want? He was living near the small forest wood, but he would like to live in a street. The lanes are so quiet. Oh dear, what is the meaning of lanes? A narrow road. Roads are will be in village. How the roads will be there? No one will be there. Only maybe one person may be bicycling the cycle, or maybe people are walking sometimes. The buffalo, sometimes maybe sheep are walking. The roads will be completely narrow. No one will be moving. Only one or two people will be moving. The roads complete will be narrow. The lanes are so narrow. The roads are very narrow. And I do wish that someone live near a village. How? In a street. How we are living? The houses will be constructing beside the house. Beside there will be no gap. Houses will be in a row. But whereas in village, they construct houses from one place to one. There is a gap will be there. For example, some people they may construct their house in the fields. Yes or no? If you observe, some people they construct houses in the field itself, and some people they before the house they'll keep some garden. Because of the house, no one will be staying near close by close. They will not construct houses. They live some far past place to one. They make a lot of distance between the houses. They maintain lot of distance between the houses. Because of this problem, what the village child is worrying, because no one to play with me. Because the houses are very no one is living close near to me, to my house, and no one to play with me. So I wish to live someone near to me, because he want to play with. Because children, we like to play. No, so if you want to play, we can't play alone. We need someone to accompany, isn't it? So what is wish the village child? What is wishing? He want someone to live near to his house, so that the boy or the one who is living beside his house, near to his house, they can accompany in playing. So he was wishing to someone to live near to his house. And see, next poem. There is no one to play with at all. The trees are so high and tall, and I should be lonely for hours, were it not for the birds and the flowers. What is saying? There is no one to play with me at all, because no one beside his house, no one is there. No other person to play with me. I am alone. No one to play. I am feeling bored. For example, being this lockdown, you got lot of holidays, and you are completely at home only, because you are not able to go out. If there is no COVID and there is no holidays, even there is no like this. No lockdown, what to do? We go out, we play with our friends, we go to our cousins' house and we play. We play. But like being this lockdown, being this COVID, and our parents are not allowing you to go out, because you are staying at home and you are getting bored, isn't it? So in the same way, the situation what you are feeling, the same way the country child is feeling. They want no one to play and feeling very lonely. And the trees are so high and so tall. The trees are so high and so tall. Okay, and I should be lonely for hours. Okay, for hours and hours, the time is running, but no one is coming to play with, because my house is very far. Maybe his house may be in the fields, I think so. Maybe, I hope. But being this reason, no one is coming to play with him. Because of this, he was saying, what he was saying? No one is playing with me, and I am staying alone. No one is accompanying me. I am getting bored. In hours of hours, I am getting bored. And were it no for the birds and the flowers. But whereas for the birds and flowers, it is nothing, because birds have their friends and they are enjoying and they are flying and they are playing. Whereas the flowers also, nicely they are with their family and they are enjoying. But me, there was no friends to accompany and I am getting bored. But whereas birds and flowers, nothing is there. They are all enjoying. And let's see the last poem. I wish that I live in a town to see all the trams going down. A twinkle street that is bright, with wonderful colors at night. What is telling? I wish that I live in a town. Because what was saying? I am living in a village, no one to accompany and no one to play with me. I am getting bored and my time is completely fed up. He was completely fed with the time, and because no one to accompany and he was getting bored. And what was saying? He want to live in a town. Because if he live in a town, he will be near to our houses and someone will be coming to play with him. And what is telling? I had to see all the trams going down. Tram will be going, okay? You want to see the trams, how they are going. Because the people, the boys, those who live in the village, they can't see all the transport that are available in the city. So what is wish? You want to see the trams. And what is saying? The twinkle street that is bright. The streets will be how? The streets always will be brinkling. Twinkling means shining or brightening. Okay, twinkling means shining or brightening. What I was telling? The twinkling street that is bright. The streets will be very bright because the people will be moving. The vehicles will be moving because whereas in the village what happened? The streets, the roads are in a narrow, no one is moving. But whereas in the city, the streets will be shining because the vehicles will be moving, the persons will be moving. By this all, the street will be shining or it will be twinkling. With the wonderful colors at night, even the night also, the lights will be having because the village they don't have any proper light current facilities. There will be no street lights. But whereas in the city, in our street, every street will have a street light and there will be no darkness in the city. Being these lights, the street will be completely brightening with the colors. He was telling because what this state was thinking, being staying in the village, I was not enjoying, I was lacking many things. If I go to town, I can enjoy plenty of things and there will be no lack and I can enjoy and I can spend and I can play and I never feel alone. But whereas in town, what I was thinking, I was very bored, I was not happy with these noises and sounds and traffic. I was fed up with this traffic and people crowded all everywhere. See what I was saying? He doesn't want to have any crowd. If you are in the crowd, what will happen? Corona will be attacking you. So you should not be. That's why what he said, maintain social distance. That's only what he was saying. The town child want to maintain social distance. But whereas a country child, he don't want to maintain social distance. He want to be in the crowded. But whereas in the town child, he doesn't like the crowded people or this traffic and all. He was thinking about he wants to live in the village. But whereas a country child, he wants to live in a town. And I hope you understood the lesson. So once again, I will sing a poem for you. Okay, I will run very quicker. Okay, I will. I live in a town in a street, it crowded the traffic and fear. Their buses and motors and trams, I wish they were made us and lamb. The houses all waiting a row, they smoke everywhere that I go. I don't like the smoke, I don't like the noises I hear. I wish they were goods very near. There's only one thing that I love, and that is the sky far above. There's plenty of room in a blue, for castles are crossing to me. My house is a house near a wood. I live in a street if I could. The leaves are so quiet, oh dear. I do wish that someone lived here. There is no one to play with at all. That is so high, so tall. I should be lonely far off, where it is not for the floor. I wish that I live in a town to see all the trams going down, and twinkling street that is the bright, with wonderful colors at night. Yeah. So we have finished our reading, the town child and the country child. How is the lesson? You understood now? Yes. Good. So today the homework for you is, okay, homework for you is learn this vocabulary, learn this glossary, and without seeing write two times. Okay, learn this glossary, and there are some glossaries are there in page number 18. Okay, there are few glossaries are there in page number 18, and this glossary in page number 18 are the glossaries that I wrote on the blackboard. This all glossary, learn them and write without seeing two times. Okay, it's your homework. Have you enjoyed the class? Okay. Have you enjoyed the class, children? Yeah. So don't skip the homeworks. Do your homework regularly. Many of you not doing your homework. Okay, children? Yeah. Good. Thank you.